Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we explore the most fascinating and practical gadgets that make your life smarter, easier, and more fun. Today, I've gathered 5 amazing tools and gadgets that are perfect for your desk, your workshop, or even your daily tasks. Whether you're working on home projects, organizing your workspace, or just love useful tech, these products are guaranteed to impress you. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. UGREEN Phone Stand. Simple yet incredibly useful, the UGREEN phone stand holder is your go-to companion for hands-free convenience. Whether you're streaming, video calling, or working at your desk, this foldable stand holds your phone firmly in place with style. It's universally compatible with devices ranging from 4.7 to 7.9 inches, making it perfect for iPhones, Samsung, Xiaomi, and other smartphones. Built with a stable triangular structure, it ensures your phone stays secure without slipping or tipping over. The rubberized inlay protects your device from scratches while providing extra grip, and the adjustable angle from 0 degrees to 90 degrees lets you find your perfect viewing position. Lightweight and foldable, this stand is ideal for both home and travel, a must-have accessory for anyone who uses their phone all day. Number 4. Libraton Nut Driver. If you love DIY projects or professional repair work, the 18 PCS Nut Driver set is an essential tool for your kit. Designed for impact drills, this set combines strength, precision, and versatility all in one. Made from premium CREV steel and heat-treated for corrosion resistance, these nut drivers are built to last through even the toughest jobs. The deep nut drivers help you reach tight spaces with ease, while the magnetic tips securely hold nuts and bolts in place. No more dropping or fumbling. With 1/4-inch hex shanks, these bits fit most quick-release chucks and impact drivers. Whether you're repairing, assembling, or building, this set gives you the control and durability you need for every task. Number 3. Libraton File Set. For those who appreciate precision and craftsmanship, the 6 pieces needle file set is an absolute gem. Designed for metal, wood, and plastic work, this mini file kit includes 6 unique file shapes: round, flat, half-round, square, flat warding, and triangle. Each file is crafted from chromium alloy steel, ensuring long-lasting durability and consistent performance. The interchangeable handle design makes it incredibly easy to switch between file types. Just unscrew the top knob, insert your chosen file, and secure it. No extra tools needed. With its comfortable ergonomic grip, this file set offers superior control for detailed work. Whether you're smoothing sharp edges, shaping materials, or doing fine finishing touches, this compact kit delivers precision at your fingertips. Number 2. Bike Torque Wrench. Attention cyclists and mechanics, this one's for you. The Bike Torque Wrench set is a precision tool that ensures your bolts and fasteners are tightened to perfection. With a torque range of 5 to 25 Newton meters and 0.1 Newton meters micro-adjustment accuracy, it delivers exact torque settings for professional-grade maintenance. The CRMO steel head provides unmatched durability, outperforming traditional CRV steel, while the anti-slip aluminum titanium handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip. The easy-to-read scale engraved on the handle makes adjustments quick and effortless, so you can tune your bike or motorcycle with confidence. Whether you're a weekend rider or a professional mechanic, this torque wrench guarantees precision and peace of mind with every turn. Number 1. Desk Lamp Clamp. The 3 heads desk lamp is more than just a light, it's your new productivity booster. With 3 adjustable lamp heads, it provides wide, even lighting coverage for your desk, making it ideal for studying, working, or crafting. You can choose from 5 color temperatures, ranging from warm 3200K to cool 6500K to match your environment perfectly. The 5 brightness levels allow you to set the mood, whether you need soft ambient lighting or powerful focus light. It also features remote control convenience, letting you adjust settings effortlessly without leaving your chair. The 360 degrees flexible gooseneck gives you total control over light direction, while the big clamp design securely attaches the lamp to any desk or table edge. Eye-friendly, powerful, and beautifully designed, This desk lamp is the ultimate blend of function and style for modern workspaces. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.